Yes, sir. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. This your boy Alec. You know exactly what time it is. Make sure you guys hit the like and subscribe button so you stay tuned to all the video will be dropping. Yes, sir. Alright, boom. What we got going on today? This video will be a prank. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna ask her again, you know what exactly she want me to get, because I'm about to cut my hair, you know what I'm saying? And stay tuned, man. I'm gonna ask everybody in the house what they want me to do, what they want me to get. All right, baby. So we just got here, right? We about to ask him what type of haircut I should get, okay? What up, though? What you got going on, man? Hold on, hold this right quick. Let me sit down. This an interview, you know what I'm saying? Oh, you got Batman in the background? You like Batman?
No, I like Spider-Man more.
Why you have a Batman then?
Because you gave it to me.
Oh, really? Check. Mic check.
What?
1, 2.
1, 2.
Confused? Me too.
Why don't we just get started?
Started with what?
With the video.
This is the video. But yo, so I will be getting a haircut. Okay, hold on. So yeah, like I was saying, I will be getting a haircut. Nobody gonna know what type of haircut it is, but whatever I get, you will get the same one too.
Bet. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like button, and comment to the video. Dipset, we out.
Alright, we done with him. We about to try to talk to the wife. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We back here again with
Sabine, plek. 1, 2. Test 1, 2. Test 1, 2.
Anyways, anytime, anything, somebody. So okay, this video will be a haircut video, right? I will be cutting my hair, and all I need you to do, I need you to throw out some suggestion what type of haircut I should get. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what you want me to get.
Ok, kon ki sa bezon fon bel fade, bel a plat.
Nice fade.
Et puis en lè la ki te yon ti cheveux tout petit, jam mwen men nan. Jon te fait février passé le nou dal nan bal.
Word.
Kon sa bezon. Après ça babou, just fon ti ligne bab. Ti ligne kon sa.
Okay, so the thing is, whatever haircut I get, Nikel will be getting the same haircut. You know what I'm saying?
That's fine.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I bet. Come on.
Test 1, 2, yes.
You teasing me. Alright, guys, so I will be getting started on that haircut, so y'all stay tuned. Make sure y'all hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel. And we're back again with it. I'm about to get started on my haircut. Hey, so that Kali was, I'm gonna go bald. I'm a little scared, bro. The last time I had my hair cut, the last time I had my hair bald is when I joined the military, you know what I'm saying? We about to go back to basic training. So, well, kind of that was, but hey, we gotta do it, man. New year, new me. I'm feeling like cutting off my hair. That's what I'm gonna do, you know what I'm saying? But remember, she probably be thinking, oh, he's getting a nice fade, you know what I'm saying? That's what she's expecting. So we will see the reaction at the end of the video. All right, come on, let's do it. I don't think I'm not doing it. Hey, I'm not doing it. Hold on, man. Golly. I'm not doing it, dog. I think that was. Alright, new year, new me. New year, new me. You know what time it is, man. Come on. Oh my God! Coupé? Okay, Gade. Put it back. Wait. Whoa! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Bro. Alright, put it back, put it back. We got glue. We get crazy glue, put it back, put it back. Okay. Hey, I'm not doing it. I'm not. Hey, it's too late. You know, to back up. God. Bro. Come on, man. Fuck it. No, you know me. Bro, I'm feeling some type of. Bon, vou passer sous tête, oui. Bon, vou passer sous tête, mais so. Bro, that we free dog. Golly. But alright, come on. I'm feeling good. Why look at me? Meet that me over.
Period.
Bro, je vais à free, you know what I'm saying? So, première fois nous fêtons nous rose in a long time. Et dernière fois nous fêtons nous longtemps dans bas là, mais va ça entraînement. But ça c'est point. So basically, les bois là attendent que m'a font belle petite charge, belle petite feed et puis là le parle tout ça, après ça la Gade. Et puis n'a Gade réaction. I said I was gonna do Nikel's too, but I'm not, you know what, I'm not even gonna have him do it. So I'm probably gonna give him a nice little fade. I'm out here looking like Unc Latif. I'm out here looking like Unc, bruh. Crazy.
A few moments later.
Alright, whip check. Hey, whip check.
Okay, baby, I
That's
see
in time.
you. Yeah.
We spinning. Yes, sir. Whip check. Besoin? Hey, no video of Kagi by Sana Bushino.
Wait, check.
Whip check. Dada.
Wait check.
Hey,
Whip check my face. Hey, we spinning. Hey. Whip check. Dada. Hey.
Alex, o que você fez ça?
My colleague to was too. Whip check. Yes, sir.
O que você fez ça?
Who's on page ça?
Vini moi.
Pas moi peut-être là.
Comme moi.
On est pas moi peut-être l'argent là. Nous you nous me. Ne dis ça. Nous you nous me. Hey.
Comme c'est.
Nous là man peut-être là. Et dada, nous moi c'est dada connaît. We connaît dada chez.
Tu vas comprendre ça là?
Oh. Pop garder me drôle. Dada.
Quand on cause, que ça Alex fait.
Dada. Même aussi.
Bébé, oh, t'as tout pété là depuis petit?
Non.
Moi bon m'a pété là.
Même aussi. Ouais, qu'est-ce ça?
Bébé, pourquoi ça?
Whip check. Dada bon coup. Est-ce que look pas ou pas?
Il fait bien oui.
Of course, pas judgement. Tout le monde a judgement même ou pas judgement.
Il fait bien oui. Hey.
Dada chérie. Pas regarder me drôle dada.
Il fait bien baby. You look great.
So toute année avec mon samba rouler.
What?
Yes sir. Année dada, pas même boxer. Quand je n'avais boxer ça comme mon dollar. Hein? Quand je n'avais boxer ça. Quand je n'avais boxer ça. Nickel. What do you think?
It's good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Do you want one of them?
don't want to be bald.
Why not?
Because I like my hair like this.
You just really good.
Yeah, but I like my hair like this.
You good pour moi, pas good pour.
But it's
So that's how c'est
my
tête là
hair's
ça.
beautiful.
Sabine nous disait ça on pensait des têtes là même.
Just look at it.
Vin dis ça on pensait des têtes là.
You look good. To be
Vin
honest,
dis
you
et
look
pas là
good.
pour parler, vin pas là mon yo donc. Pas là mon yo.
You look good, baby. You look good.
Pas grave là, pas là mon yo.
You look good, baby, okay? Il faut bien, moi-même, le bot. Ben, c'est pas pire.
Nous officiellement entré dans tête calée édition et nous entré dans tête calée chauve et t'as capté?
Il va là. Chaque fois funny, regarde tête qui regarde tes zones. Tes zones acceptent. But you look good, baby. You look
Of course,
good.
mon cher, of course.
Pas comme bablan non, bablan balade.
Non, mon cher, babla il est capable.
Il fait bien, oui.
Of course, il fait bien.
Hey.
Il fait bien.
Oui.
Of course, il fait
You
bien.
look good, baby. You look good.